In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to copy the color palette of an image and apply this color palette to another image. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. Once you have created the account, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the image section. Here, we need to go to settings. And in model, I prefer to use GPT Image 2. Now, here in quality, I'm going to use the medium quality because I personally think that the high quality and the medium quality are really similar. And that way, we can create 3 images with the medium quality for the price of 1 image of high quality. So now, here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. And once you do that, we have to click in reference. And now, first, we need to upload an image of ourselves. As you can see, this is me. Or any image that you want. This is the image of reference that we're going to use. The second image is going to be the one that we're going to copy the color palette. So I'm going to use this image. So let's click here. And now I'm going to use this image as a reference of this movie. So now let's click here and now click this button. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the images. And as you can see, we were able to copy the color palette perfectly. So if you like it, I want to tell you that in Novoads AI, we have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. With that, you have 10 credits. And for example, the images that we created cost 0.9 credits, the 3 of them. So I recommend you to try the platform. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.